Welcome to Carnaby Street. Carnaby Street was laid out in the 1680s, and the first property known to have stood here was Carnaby House, built by bricklayer Richard Tyler. The Shakespeare's Head pub was built in 1735, was originally owned by Thomas and John Shakespeare, who were distant relatives of William Shakespeare. Carnaby earned its credentials during the 1960s, with vibrant clashes of colour, new cultures, exciting new music and a rebellious identity. There was nowhere else like it in London. Music stars including Jimi Hendrix, the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, the Kinks, and style icons Brigitte Bardot and Elizabeth Taylor were all Carnaby Street regulars. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Carnaby's iconic Kingly Court is a three-storey alfresco dining destination in the heart of London's West End. It's home to 21 of the best international concept restaurants, bars and cafes in its vibrant courtyard, which is open air throughout the summer months and covered in winter. Hope you enjoyed this short look around Carnaby Street. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.